how to transfer KTA token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. Now, first of all, we need to swap our token to Solana in order to transfer it without any issue to our Phantom wallet. So how to do that? First of all, open your Bybit wallet from your browser, as you can see. Now after that, select the basis retro first and search for your token that's called KTA. So after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap here and you will be able to redact it to your Bybit exchange platform in order to swap your token to Solana. So how to swap it to Solana? So as you can see, from the bottom, click here and select the Solana as an airdrop first. Now search for Solana from here in the search bar. Now after you find your token, just click on it. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to transfer your KTA or swap your KTA token to Solana. So after you convert it, what you need to do, just open your Bybit wallet again and now select the Solana as a network first, as you can see. Now select the Solana token that you can transfer it and select send. So because I don't have any fund, I can't be able to show you how to do that, but you will be able to, or they will ask you to get the withdrawal address from your Phantom wallet of Solana in order to receive it. Now how to do that? Now go and open your Phantom wallet and now as you can see, select the Solana token, click on it and click on receive. Now copy the token address. Now go back to Bybit wallet, open it again and paste that token address in the withdrawal address, and after that click on transfer, and after about a few seconds to a few minutes you will be able to receive the token on your Phantom wallet. So this is how to transfer KTA token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.